Get ready to be amazed because this TSI might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. Hold on a second. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it is super lightweight and durable. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it delivers outstanding results instantly. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly worth every single penny for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right this second. Get ready to be amazed because this TSI might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet.